Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off with a cotton pad and the rooibos toner, as you probably know by now, and I'm going to cleanse my face. I'm going in with the Bionic Hydro Defense Face Cream to prep my face, as well as the e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer. The foundation that I'm using is the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 Creamy Vanilla foundation in the shade 01 and a beauty blender, and I'm going to blend that in my. I'm going to use the Morphe 10 concealer palette to highlight, to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose, as well as my cupid. Now I'm going to use a brush to blend in the contour. I'm going to use those three light shades to highlight underneath my eye, my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and on my forehead. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Brow 08 palette, and I'm using that lighter shade to do my eyebrow. I'm going to use the waxy shade as well as the concealer to define my eyebrows even more. Next, I'm using the Airspun translucent powder to set that under eye. Next, I'm using the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat face powder in ivory to set the rest of my face. I'm going in with a Beauty Treats palette with that orangey brownish shade to put in my crease as my transition shade. So I'm going in with the Elegant Nudes, and I'm going to use that beautiful pinky shimmery shade to put on my lid. Just so you know, that squeaking sound in the background is my Indian ringneck parrot that wants attention, so please ignore him. I'm going to use the LA Girl light strobing powder in the shade 70 Watt to highlight my brow bone and to highlight my inner corners. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills light medium contour kit, and I'm going to use the middle shade to contour my face. Now I'm going to use that same middle shade to contour my nose. I'm going to use a fluffier brush and that banana shade in the Anastasia kit to brighten up my under eye as well as my forehead and my nose contour. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Spice palette and that lighter blush shade to do my blush. going to do my lower waterline with the Morphe slate. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild waterproof liquid eyeliner, as well as a flat surface to define my angles of the eyeliner. I'm using the Mark mascara in black from Avon. And then I'm going back in with that Allego highlighter to highlight my cheeks. For lips, I'm going to use the Allego Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in the shade, I don't know, Fantasy, in the shade Fantasy. To set my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Setting Spray 24-hour Makeup Locking Spray. This is the final result. I hope it helped you freshen up your sick day at home. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.